Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the algebra of set, one of the topic available in sets, relation and function. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the algebra of set. First one is union. The union of two sets A and B is the set of elements which are either in A or in B. So this is simple. A union B. What is A union B? The elements in the A as well as element in the E are grouped together so that it contains either the elements A union B elements are either available in A or available in B. Right? All the elements in A as well as all the elements in E are grouped together. Some of the elements may be common, right? Grouped together, that is called A union B. So that A union B, the elements may be available in either A or in B, right? The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all the elements common to both A and B. A union B, common. The elements available commonly in A as well as B are grouped together, that is called a intersection, right? So the A union A intersection will be give the elements are available commonly in A as well as B. A as well as B. But here the elements available in the A and elements available in B all are grouped together, right? All the elements are grouped together so that A union B, right? So the A union B may be the sum of the elements available in A, sum of the elements available in B. All are grouped together. But here commonly available. The elements commonly available in A as well as B are grouped together. That's called intersection. Union means all the elements. Intersection means commonly available elements. Then complement of a set. Next one will have the complement of a set. The set of all elements of universal set U that are not elements of A, right? The set of all elements of U, universal set, that are not elements of A, that is A dash. A is the set of elements. A dash means the elements not available in A, that's called A dash. Set difference, right? So it is clearly given. A means set of elements. A dash, the elements not available in A is the A dash, right? Not available. Set difference A slash B or A minus B, right? A is the set and B is the another set. From A minus B means then the elements available in the B is eliminated in A, so that only the elements available in A will be give. A minus will give the elements available in the A is and elements available in the B. The elements what are available in the B are neglected in A. So we will see clearly the difference of these two sets A and B is the set of all elements belongs to A, not belongs to B, right? The set of elements, the more number of elements available in the A, from that the elements of B is subtracted. So A minus B will give only the all elements belongs to A, not belongs to B, right? The elements of the B is subtracted, right? So the A minus B will give only all the elements belongs to A, not B, because B is subtracted. That is called a complement of a set or set difference, right? Complement of a set means the number of elements in A, the number of the elements not available in the A is A dash. A slash B or A minus B means the elements in the B are deleted from the A, so that A minus B will give only the elements available in the A. The elements in the B are neglected, deleted, right? Now we'll see the disjoint junction. Next one is the disjoint junction. Disjunction set. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if there is no element common to both A and B, right? Disjoint junction means the set A and set B is available. There is no common elements between A and B. Then it is called a disjoint junction, right? There is no common elements between A and B. Open interval. The set of X such that a less than b a less than x less than b is called a open interval and denoted by a comma b, this bracket, normal open and closing parenthesis ab. What is the meaning? X is the set of x such that it is lies between a and b, but a and b is not included because a less than x less than b, right? So a is not included, b also not included. In between a and b is a set, so that it is called a open interval, right? Is denoted by open and closing parenthesis a comma b. In the second one, closed interval, the set of x such that a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, called closed interval, denoted by square bracket a comma b. What is the meaning? X is the set of x is such that in between a and b also included, less than or equal to, a also included, less than or equal to b also included. So in between a and b also included, so that it is called a closed interval. But here in between a and b, but a not included, b also not included, right? Greater than a and less than b, right? A and b is not included, so that open interval denoted by opening and closing parentheses of a comma b. Here a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, a and b also included. In between a and b, that a and b also included, that is denoted by square bracket a comma b, right? That is the difference of open interval and closing interval. Next one, neighborhood of a point. Let a be any real number, right? A is the real number. Let epsilon greater than 0 be arbitrarily small real number. Then a minus epsilon comma a plus epsilon is called an E neighborhood of the point, and a denoted by a n, capital N with small a comma epsilon, right? So this is the first one. A is the real number, epsilon is the small real number, right? Epsilon is the small real number. So a minus epsilon, a plus epsilon is called a epsilon, called an epsilon neighborhood of the point a, denoted by a n a comma epsilon, right? So there is a comparison between this real number, any real number with the small real number, that's denoted by a minus epsilon or a comma a plus epsilon. This is denoted by the symbol n a comma epsilon. And one more type is Cartesian product of sets. The set of all ordered pairs a comma b such that a epsilon a, this a is the small letter, capital letter, and b epsilon b is called a Cartesian product of a and b is denoted by a into b, right? So the a b is the ordered pairs, right? A and b is the main set. So a epsilon a b epsilon b is a Cartesian product that is denoted by a into b, right? So in this video we discuss about the algebra of the set, various types we discussed. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.